anyway. Some changeover happening now. We're going to have rain over to snow. Rainy periods fairly mild today. Temperatures in the 40s. That's about 8 to 10 degrees above normal. But after that, it's all downhill as we head into the new year. The changeover happening, rain to snow tonight. After midnight tonight especially, we go into lake effect, a winter storm watch, and even a lake snow warning for Geauga County, which we'll look at that in detail here. So the next 24 hours, overnight into New Year's, the highest impact in terms of snow showers. Slick travel will need perhaps some extra travel time if you have to be out and about, as these temperatures take a nosedive. 40s today, mid-30s tomorrow for New Year's Day, and into the 20s heading into the first weekend of the new year. Meantime, here's the weather system that's the culprit and the instigator of our rain to snow, and we're seeing precip type from that to that right there, from southeast to northwest, changing over into the cold air. So this panhandle hook type storm heading to the northeast, heading toward New England actually. You can see the backside colder air that starts to funnel in behind the system in the National Design Mart. Hour by hour forecast, the vanguard or leading edge of the rain here, 10 o'clock, perhaps a little bit earlier. That first swath of rain lifts to the north and east after the lunch hour. We get a smattering of light rain showers on and off, and heading into the midnight hour. Check that out. As we transition to 2025, we transition to snow. And there it is, lake effect, lake enhanced to lake effect snow. Snow bands setting up here, basically primary, perhaps part of the secondary snow belt, becomes more of a primary snow belt event heading into Wednesday, which would be New Year's Day. And Thursday, the whole thing starts to wind down. The whole package lifts out, and we hope to see a little bit of sunshine. How much snow could fall? Well, up at maybe a coating up to 1 to 2 inches for everybody, but certainly well over 3 to 6 or more inches, especially over northern Geauga County, when a lake snow warning kicks in tomorrow morning. For Ashtabula, Lake, and Cuyahoga counties, it's a winter storm watch. That could be upgraded as well. There'll be locally higher amounts of a ½ foot or more with local blowing and drifting. Rain showers likely with fairly mild conditions today, mid-40s. Tonight, rain mixed to snow. It'll be brisk and breezy. Temperature is close to freezing. And there you can see the transition over to snow on the Long Ranger. There it is. Oh, I love to hear that. You can see the winds over the lake. Keep us in a lake effect snow pattern going into perhaps the weekend. So the next weather system, as we look ahead to next Monday, could lay out a general snow for everybody. That'll have to be watched. Here's the Union Home Mortgage outlook, mid-30s down into the 20s. Heading into the weekend, it looks like some lake effect snow is possible. Imagine that, David.
Yeah, imagine that. This time of year, right?
Yeah, shocker for January.
AJ, thank you. 5:20 now.